In sToolTracker, it's possible to modify an existing tool BOM attached to an existing order. To do so, open up our production order. Select the line entry, routine. From the menu, select sToolTracker, tool BOM. Here it's possible to add, remove, and add comments for a particular tool. In this case, we're removing a tool. Next, we can also add a tool. Note that the changes made to this card only affect this particular tool BOM for this particular order. It does not modify the general tool BOM. It's also possible to add comments, such as tool instructions for each of the tools. These can be used in production or printed to any defined report which you have created. When you're finished, just exit the cards.